Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we want to discuss about active voice and passive voice. Voices are there and we want to tell that it's mean active voice when the doer of work is the subject of a sentence is called active voice, or when affected person, place or thing is the subject of a sentence is called passive voice. And the question will raise that it's mean why do we use active voice and passive voice? Sorry, why do we use passive voice? Passive voice when we want to hide that object at that condition we want to place passive voice. First of all, I would like to write the sentences. First present, next one of them is past, and last one of them is future. Total we have 3 tenses. In previous video we have discussed each and everything. Before going towards tenses, we want to discuss about their rules. Total we have 11 rules. How many rules we have to change active voice to passive voice? 11 rules. We want to discuss them by detail one by one. First we want to discuss about subject change into object. Subject we want to alter into object, and next one object change into subject. Third one we want to say that all forms we want to change into third form of the verb, all forms. And fourth one we want to say that before third form of the verb we put helping verbs. Fifth one, after third form of the verb we put by. Sixth one, I change into me. Seventh, he change into him. Eighth one, she change into her. Ninth one, we change into us. 10th one, they change into them. And last 11th one, it and you can't be changed. If they will be changed, so by their self. Okay, it and you can't be changed. It will be utilized, will be changed with it, and you will be changed with you. Now we want to discuss about their tenses. First we want to say that he plays football. He played football. He will play football. He will play football. Okay, rules are most important. You have to copy the rules. First we want to say that subject change into object, object change into subject, all form change into third form. Before third form we want to put helping verbs. After third form we want to put by. I change into me, he change into him, she change into her, we change into us, they change into them, it and you can't be changed. Once again I would like to tell them in Urdu, सब्जेक्ट को हम लोग ऑब्जेक्ट में चेंज कर लेंगे, ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट में चेंज कर लेंगे, सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट में, ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट में. जितने भी हमारे पास फॉर्म्स है, फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकंड फॉर्म, थर्ड फॉर्म, आईएनजी फॉर्म, सबको हम लोग थर्ड फॉर्म में पुट कर लेंगे. एंड बिफोर थर्ड फॉर्म से पहले हम लोग हेल्पिंग वर्ब पुट करेंगे. अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंस वी वांट टू पुट हेल्पिंग वर्ब. आफ्टर थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब वी वांट टू पुट बाय. थर्ड फॉर्म के बाद क्या पुट करेंगे? बाय. आई चेंज इनटू मी, आई को हम लोग मी में चेंज कर लेंगे. ई चेंज इनटू एम, ई को हम लोग एम में चेंज कर लेंगे, इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म है. शी चेंज इनटू आर, शी को हम लोग आर में चेंज कर लेंगे. वी चेंज इनटू अस, वी को हम लोग अस में चेंज कर लेंगे. दे चेंज इनटू देम, दे को देम में चेंज कर लेंगे. इट एंड यू ये चेंज नहीं हो सकते. अगर चेंज हो गए भी इट में चेंज होगा और यू में चेंज होगा. नाउ फर्स्ट टेंस इज देयर, but one thing more we want to say that in all indefinite tenses we want to put their continuous helping verbs. Here indefinite that helping verbs are do and does. Here helping verb is did. Here helping verb is will and shall. Will plus shall. But here we want to put continuous helping verbs. Continuous, what continuous helping verbs are there? In present indefinite continuous helping verb is are and am. Here we want to put them in indefinite in passive voice. Passive voice में continuous के helping verb को indefinite में put करेंगे. और यहाँ पे was plus verb, continuous के helping verb को indefinite में put कर लेंगे. यहाँ पे will be plus shall be, इसके helping verb को हम लोग indefinite में put कर लेंगे. Now we want to change this one. Football, football is singular, we want to put is with it. Football is third form played, थर्ड फॉर्म के बाद by, ई का ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म him. सब्जेक्ट चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट, ई चेंज इनटू हिम, सब्जेक्ट चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट. ये हमारा पहला रूल था, सब्जेक्ट चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट. दूसरा रूल हमारा क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट चेंज इनटू सब्जेक्ट. ना ऑब्जेक्ट इज हेयर, ऑब्जेक्ट वी हैव ब्रॉट हेयर, subject change into object, object change into subject. Here as well we have told same, subject change into object, object change into subject. And next we have told that all form change into third form. Place we have changed into third form of the verb. And next we have told that after that before third form of the verb we want to put helping verb. Here we have put it helping verb is. And after that we have told that after third form of the verb we want to put by. Here we have put it by. सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट में चेंज कर दिया, ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट में चेंज कर दिया, ऑल फॉर्म चेंज टू थर्ड फॉर्म, बिफोर थर्ड फॉर्म हेल्पिंग वर्ब पुट कर दिया, आफ्टर थर्ड फॉर्म बाय हम लोगों ने पुट कर दिया डायरेक्टली अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल्स वी हैव चेंज देम. और यहाँ पे भी सेम वाज और वर्ब पुट करेंगे, रूल हमारे पास सेम है. ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट में लाएंगे, फुटबॉल सिंगुलर है, वाज थर्ड फॉर्म प्लेट, थर्ड फॉर्म के बाद बाय पुट कर लेंगे एंड सब्जेक्ट चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट हिम. और यहाँ पे इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म सब्जेक्ट चेंज इनटू object, object change into subject, all form change into third form, before third form helping verb, after third form by we want to put. And next we want to move towards future indefinite tense. We want to say football helping verb will be singular, will be played by him, subject change into object, object change into subject, all form change into third form, before third form we want to put helping verb, after third form we want to put by. Just here again we want to revise the rule, then we want to remove them. Subject change into object, object change into subject, all form change into third form, before third form we want to put helping verb, after third form we want to put by. I change into me, he change into him, she change into her, we change into us, they change into them, it and you can't be changed. Remember these in your mind. Now we want to move forward. G. Now we want to move towards continuous tenses. He is playing football. He was playing football. He will be playing football. 3 continuous tenses. And we want to discuss about perfect tenses. He has played football. He had played football. He will have played football. And last tenses we do not want to change them into passive voice because here we are going to discuss about time. टाइम के बारे में, टाइम को मेंशन कर रहे इसलिए इन लास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंसेस को चेंज नहीं कर सकते और इसको भी चेंज नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे बी आ रहे कंटिन्यूस में हम लोग बीइंग पुट करेंगे, दैट सेंटेंस विल बी इनवैलिड और इनकरेक्ट. एक्सेप्ट द ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब दैट वी डू नॉट वांट टू चेंज. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स आर पुअर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट विदाउट ऑब्जेक्ट. आवर रूल्स आर दैट सब्जेक्ट चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट चेंज इनटू subject like same. But in other condition we can utilize them if place the action of playing is being done by him like same. But according to rules they can't be. Now here we want to put being in continuous tenses. हम लोग इनके खुद के helping verb के साथ being put करेंगे और past में हम लोग क्या put करेंगे, been. Rules सब के same है which we have discussed already. Now here football is being played by him. इसमें और इसमें differentiate सिर्फ being का है, वैसे both are same. And here football was being played by him. Okay, differentiation just between that is about being. And here we want to put being, just subject change into object, object change into subject, all form change into third form, before third form helping verb, by. And in continuous tenses we want to put being. Here we want to say that football been we want to put as been played by him. Subject change into object, object change into subject, all form change into third form, before third form helping verb, after third form by. Perfect tenses we want to put been. Football had been played by him. And here football will have been played by him. Like same we want to change them again. I would like to revise it from beginning. I have told that first subject change into object, object change into subject, all form change into third form. Before third form we want to utilize helping verb. After third form we want to put by. I change into me, he change into him, she change into her, we change into us, they change into them, it and you can't be changed. Now first one of them is he plays football, he played football, he will play football. And here in all indefinite tenses we want to utilize their continuous tenses. Clear? Continuous tenses. He plays football, football is played by him. Subject change into object, object change into subject, all form change into third form. Before third form helping verb, after third form we want to put by. He played football, football was, here continuous helping verb. Here is are him, here was and were. Over there will be and shall be. Football was played by him. Here he will play football, football will be played by him. And continuous tenses we want to say he is playing football, he was playing football, he will be playing football. And here we have told that continuous, that future continuous tense we do not want to change due to be. Okay, here in other tenses we want to put being. Here we will say he is playing football, football is being played by him, except compartmentalization between these two sentences is just being. He was playing football, football was being played by him. And in perfect tenses, he has played football, football has been played by him. Here we want to put being in all perfect tenses, being in all continuous tenses, all indefinite we want to put continuous helping verbs. He has played football, football has been played by him. He had played football, football had been played by him. And last one, he will have played football, football will have been played by him. Like same, we want to change them. In next, we want to discuss in next video. Till to here, Allah Hafiz.